Affiliated to this paper, I need freedom from my family line. Draw my life design up like fine art. I'm jumping off just an unfamiliar coordinates. Hopped off the porch like I could touch the sky. Red is not one trillion. The ism talk the water out your faucet. Look at me flossing, I'm so wavy I could change the tide. My intuition sense the hatred in your ways. You imitated forging lines, claim meaning means that's just to justify. Yeah, right. West side boy, maritime. Creole baby, my bloodline. My lungs clouded, my thoughts crowded. Say all I see is these dollar signs. Finna make a play and that sound delay. On mamas, I testify. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Game recognized game. I'm from the Bay, okay, I'm versatile and my slang's different. I'm lane switching with the same people that I came up in this thing with. My head swivel, I'm homebound. Got a target back on my backside. The cat peeling with the cast iron. Better run for it, run before I catch you. Niggas out ball it, block it. Trying to stop my blessing. Gamble with your life. Don't bet it, don't bet it. They can't stop my blessing. You do best not to test it. Yeah, you right. Real all in my blood supply. Get ball up top, finna make a play. I cast a lob like I'm Jalen, baby. No cosigner, no co-pilot. They pen pals, my flow designer. My brain signal out of range with it. My palm mission, it's a dollar sign. If I say it twice, then I meant it right.
My brain signal out of range with it. My palm mission, it's a dollar sign. You know, cosigner, no co-pilot. They pen pals, my flow designer. My brain signal out of range with it. My palm mission, it's a dollar sign.
Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds.
Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy Rob coming back at you once again with another live stream. So before we get started, you already know what to do. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the bell icon twice. Smash the like button, share this video out to all of your followers, and let's get it cracking. All right, so shout out to everybody who is in the building early It is good to see each and every one of you. If you can hear me okay and everything looks and sounds good on the screen, please give me a thumbs up or a radiation emoji in the chat. If you cannot hear me or things are looking bad and sounding bad, please give me a thumbs down or an angry face. While you guys are doing that, I'm going to shout out everybody who's in the building early, all right? Shout out to Carlton Way. What's good with it, bro? Make sure you guys show Carlton Way some love. Throw some flames, some radiation emoji, and some ducks in the chat. Going to be using an article that Carlton put in the Discord. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to Mod Extraordinaire, Black Free Thinker. What's good with it, bro? Shout out to Mod Extraordinaire, Brooklyn Queen. What's good with it, Brooklyn Queen? And shout out to my man, Crew Reality. What is good with it, bro? All right. It is good to see each and every one of you. All right. So before we get into what we're going to get into, I want to talk about crypto.com. All right. Because if you ask me, there's no reason why no one should take advantage, right? Everyone should take advantage of this. They got that maximum bonus of 1,300% PA on the Pengu airdrop. I put the screenshot for it in the Discord today. How many people got a chance to see that? If you guys saw that, give me a thumbs up. If you did not see that, then give me a thumbs down. If you ask me, like, that's a great opportunity. You know what I'm saying? You can get in on that right now with the 1,300% maximum PA bonus, right before the bull market and altcoin season starts and all of this other stuff. You'll be in there. You will get the maximum amount of tokens that you can get, right? And in addition to that, you'll get it right before the bull market. So you will get that and the bull market jump. So, you know what I'm saying? Throw something in there. If it's people that's in the chat that's not on crypto.com, shout out to the mods. You know what I'm saying? The mods can definitely put their crypto.com referral links in there, get people in there. Throw a little something in there, man. Put a little TT in the plate and just let it marinate. You know what I'm saying? You'll be happy with your results. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my man Crew Reality. Shout out to Thomas Wilson. What's good with it, bro? Shout out to Crew Reality for funding the organization and becoming a member. Definitely appreciate it. Shout out to all the members, man. I definitely appreciate all the members. The membership is only $1 at the lowest level. It definitely helps with those goals. You know what I'm saying? We got an easy goal today. Shout out to everybody. Throw some targets in the chat for Crew Reality and throw some flames, some radiation emoji, and some ducks in the chat for Crew Reality for funding the organization. Definitely appreciate it, bro.
How do you think that we fund this organization, huh? We're not exactly the March of Dimes. I'm standing on business. I'm standing on business. I'm standing on business.
Definitely appreciate it. Yo, shout out to Phased Out. Phased Out said, I'm here to say that H-Bar is also going to get an ETF since they have huge companies behind it like Google and Intel. That's what's good. Shout out to Phased Out, man. Shout out to Jay the Greatest. What's good with it, bro? Yeah, man. All this stuff is great. All this stuff is great. Things are looking really good in crypto. All right. So 3 reasons why Ripple Labs XRP is primed for a big upside move. All right. So we've been hearing crazy price predictions about Ripple. You guys have already marked the alerts, I'm assuming, right? So we're going to be tracking this thing. $2.53 currently. Target prices that we're looking at, $5, $8, $15, right? $5, $8, $15, all right? So let's get into this, all right? And shout out to everybody. If you haven't smashed the like button yet, please do me a favor. Take a moment, smash that like button. Also, if you guys haven't hit the bell, please take a moment, hit that bell, and also please share the stream to your social media. Now, Ripple is doing everything right. If you ask me, if you guys would agree, Ripple's doing everything right, give me a thumbs up. If you guys would disagree, give me a thumbs down. They're getting meetings with the president. They're making partnerships with other businesses. They're doing things internationally. I mean, I can't really say what Ripple is doing wrong and why, with the hard work that Ripple has put in, Ripple doesn't deserve, a skyrocket in the price. They've maintained a steady, strong position. Right? They've maintained a steady, strong position in the cryptocurrency market despite decade-long onslaught against them. I'm happy for Ripple, man. I'm happy for the people that hold Ripple. You know what I'm saying? We trying to get more Ripple, right? So let's actually get into this. XRP, the native cryptocurrency of decentralized blockchain created by Ripple, Labs maintains in a consolidation phase as top peers like Solana, Polkadot, and Cardano fall by double digits. All right. And as you guys probably know, Cardano and Polkadot, they've been having a difficult time. Ripple was trading at $2.39 at last check on Saturday, a few points below its 2024 highs. Still, key fundamental and technical catalysts could supercharge it in the next few months. All right. So in the next few months, there could be a possible supercharge. Now, along with Ripple, we got DOGE, right? People are putting out futures on DOGE saying that DOGE is more than likely going to hit $1, right? And then we have the upside of Ethereum, where people are saying between $7,000 and $12,000 Ethereum. All right. So again, within our portfolio, right? Within our portfolio, we have individual pathways of getting to the goal. If you guys would agree, give me a thumbs down. Ripple can be a way, right? Ethereum can be a way, right? Dogecoin can be a way. The MicroStrategy stock can be a way, right? So as long as we continue to accumulation, continue to watch the prices, buy on the dips, it's just a matter of if. It's not a matter of when, right? XRP whales buy the dip. Whale accumulation is one of the most popular bullish catalysts for cryptocurrencies since these investors are believed to be more sophisticated. Data shows that XRP whales have continued to accumulate the coin as the mood in crypto industry worsens, all right, which I don't really see the mood in the crypto industry worsening. Do you guys? If you guys see the mood in crypto worsening, give me a thumbs up. If you guys don't see the mood in crypto worsening, give me a thumbs down. If you ask me, this is probably the best that the crypto mood has been in history. You know what I'm saying? But they're saying that it's worsening. According to Ali Martinez, a popular crypto investor who cited sentiment data, shows that these whales bought 1 billion XRP tokens in the last 48 hours. That is an indicator that they are optimistic about the coin. Okay. And then, like we said before, if you ask me, people always ask the question, well, what token can get you the type of returns that early Bitcoin investors got? If you ask me, the token that has the best and highest potential for that currently right now is Ripple. And the reason why is because Ripple was in a time freeze. Ripple didn't get a chance to get the natural organic growth that everything else did. And it's been unchained from that false constraint. So it has to catch up or at least chase everything else. And as a result of catching up and chasing everything else during the accelerated adoption phase of the market, I think that it's going to go a lot faster to higher levels than everything else because of all of the release pressure. When it comes to Ripple, Ripple is like shaking up a bottle of pop and keeping it shook up for 10 years and then releasing it out and letting all that pressure go out. You know what I'm saying? It's going to go out like the, you know what I'm saying? Like a hot geyser in Yellowstone Park. You know what I'm saying? If you guys would agree, give me a thumbs up. If you guys would disagree, give me a thumbs down. Shout out to Phased Out 420. Phased Out 420 said, I bought some more XRP today. I need more. Bro, facts. We all need some more. If y'all need some more XRP, hit that like button. If y'all need some more XRP, share the stream. You know what I'm saying? Hit the bell. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Phased Out. Phased Out said, Ripple will blow up like my engine to the moon. Yeah, that's facts. You know what I'm saying? That's facts. Now, right? Sometimes people are maximists with these coins, right? We know the Bitcoin maxis and all that. Listen, man, this is one of the reasons I keep telling people about that 1,300% PA on crypto.com. Even if you don't believe in Pingu, even if you don't believe in Capybara, the bonuses that they're paying on those tokens, it would be foolish, in my opinion, to leave that on the table when you could get that money, flip it, and then get you some Ripple or get you some Bitcoin or get you something that you actually believe in with what they're giving away. You know what I'm saying? If you guys would agree, then give me a thumbs up. If you guys would disagree, then give me a thumbs down. And shout out to everybody watching. Hit that like button and also please share. All right. Your boy is rushing through the information today. I got about an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm going to try to get through as much as I can. And then we're going to try to hit it tomorrow if I can. All right. Meanwhile, poly market traders are optimistic that the Securities and Exchange Commission will approve a spot XRP exchange traded fund or ETF in 2025. A small poll with just 5,000 in assets places these odds at 68%. Another poll with 30,000 places the odds that Ripple ETF will be approved by July at 51%. All right. So my question for you guys is, how many of you all believe that the Ripple XRP ETF will be approved this year. If you guys believe that that'll happen, let me know in the comment section, okay? These hopes have remained elevated after Donald Trump won the election and promised to be a more crypto-friendly president. He has nominated Paul Atkins as the next SEC chair and started to create his artificial intelligence and crypto council. Crypto ETFs have become highly popular among investors. The ProShares Bitcoin ETF has over 2.3 billion in assets, while spot Bitcoin ETFs have attracted over 36 billion in inflows. Bitcoin ETFs have over $107 billion in assets, while Ethereum ones have 11.6 billion. In addition, XRP crypto investors are betting on the potential approval of Solana, Hedera, Hashgraph, and Chainlink's ETFs. All right, so I haven't really talked about Chainlinks. I think we need to start looking into Chainlink. I think that would not be a bad idea to start checking out. You know what I'm saying? If you guys think it wouldn't be a bad idea to start peeping Chainlink and checking out Chainlink and seeing what they got going on, give me a thumbs up. If you guys don't, then give me a thumbs down. I think we've been kind of neglecting Chainlink, and we need to, you know what I'm saying, make sure that we get our little share of Chainlink. All right. Ripple has also formed strong technicals that could push its price significantly higher in the next few weeks. All right. So now let me ask you guys this question. It says that it's built these fundamentals, these technicals that could push the price significantly higher in the next few weeks. Which of the alerts is going to fall off? Which Ripple alert is going to fall off? $5, $8, $13 in the next few weeks. Let me know which one you think. Shout out to Dre D. What's good with it, bro? Daily chart shows XRP has been forming a bullish pennant pattern, one of the most popular continuation signs in trading. The lower side of the flag was at 49 cents, while the triangle pattern has been forming since December. A bullish breakout often happens when the two lines of the triangle near their confluence. XRP has remained above the 50-day moving average, while the MV-RV indicator has dropped to 2.5, a sign that it is undervalued. All right, so again, remember, I keep saying Ripple doesn't have a floor right now, right? So if it doesn't have a floor, then what that means is that it's undervalued, all right? And that's correlating with the MV-RV, okay? Therefore, the initial level to watch will be the extreme overshoot point of the Murray math lines, followed by the 2024 high of $2.90, and then the psychological level at $3. All right, so now we've got the alert set, right? Shout out to everybody in the chat. We got the alert set. Alert set in your phone for $3, right? If you got the alert set in your phone for $3, you're doing good. All right. So let me see something here. So next, what we gonna do? Let me just see. Let me just see something. Yeah, let's take some more looks at what Ripple's got going on. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna pull these over here. All right. So let me ask you guys this question: how many people in the chat are still working towards accumulating their 1,000 Ripple? Nobody forgot about that, did they? I hope nobody forgot about it. Let me see. There's one more article about Ripple that I wanted to show y'all. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think either Carlton or Brooklyn Queen had put that in the chat. Where is that article at? How many people heard about that Ripple buying back that the Japanese tokens or something like that? Did you guys hear about that? I want to show you all that. And of course, as I'm looking for it, the computer freezes. All right, let's deal with these. Shall we? Let me see. Hold on. And if not, shout out to Kareem. What's good with it? And if not, we'll just deal with it once we find it. It is what it is. It is what it is. Give me a second. Let me get this pulled up on the screen here. While you guys are chilling in the comment section, please do me a favor. Smash that like button. If you guys haven't hit the bell, please take a moment, hit that bell. Also, please share the stream to your social media. I swear, half of the stream, a lot of times, it seems like just waiting for stuff to pull up. And I always have it all pulled up before the stream gets started. And then things just start slowing down. I need some of that. I need some of that Bitcoin hash rate. I need some of that Bitcoin hash rate on my computer because this just ain't it. You know what I'm saying? This is not cutting it. Oh man. There we go. There we go. Let's see. All right, yeah, here we are. Sheesh. That took long enough. That took long enough. Good Lord have mercy. All right, there we go. Yeah, let's get it. All right. Ripple's XRP eyes recovery following executives' dinner with Donald Trump. All right. So again, like I said, they're doing everything right. XRP has slightly recovered from the recent market decline, which sparked over $670 million in realized profits. $670 million in realized profits is amazing. Ripple president hints that XRP ETF could be the next crypto debut on Wall Street after Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP's next move will be influenced by a breakout of bullish pennant following a bounce off the 50-day SMA support. All right. Ripple's XRP is up 2%, and this was on Wednesday, following positive sentiments surrounding CEO Brad Garlinghouse recent dinner with incoming U.S. President Donald Trump. If the recent recovery sentiment prevails, XRP could stage a breakout above the upper boundary line of a bullish pennant pattern. Okay. XRP leads crypto market recovery after CEO's dinner with Trump. And again, these are definitely good optics. And, you know, as far as the crypto community goes, that's exactly what you want, right? If you're XRP, you want to have dinner with the president, right? If you're XRP, you want Trump repeating XRP all the time, right? That's what you want. So if you ask me, Ripple is doing everything right. All right. They're doing everything right to set themselves up really well. Okay. And by Ripple doing everything right to set themselves up really well, they're setting us up to do really well. Right. After the crypto market plunged on Tuesday, XRP investors realized profits of over $670 million. Most of the transacted coins came from less than 1-year-old holdings, revealing the heavy influence of volatility on short-term holders. All right. However, unlike other top cryptocurrencies, XRP has recovered slightly from the selling pressure. The recovery is driven by positive market sentiment surrounding Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and CLO Stuart Aldry's recent dinner with Donald Trump. Okay. Most experts predict, that the positive relationship between Ripple and the incoming Trump administration, the Dizzler expected to step down for 20th. His replacement, Paul Atkins, may not pursue the agency's appeal against Judge Annalisa Torres' final ruling on its case against Ripple. The SEC earlier had appealed Judge Torres' ruling, focusing on institutional sales of XRP and personal transactions by Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. Meanwhile, in a recent interview with Bloomberg Crypto, Ripple president Monica Long stated that new crypto ETFs will launch in 2025, with spot XRP likely to be next in line after Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right. So my question for you is, what will a spot XRP ETF do for the Ripple price? All right. What will the launch of a spot XRP do for your portfolio? All right. These are the questions. Now, here's another question. Would it be wise to try to have as much Ripple as possible before the announcement of the Ripple Spot ETF? If that would be something wise to do, shout out to Carlton. Do exactly like what Carlton is doing. Throw a rocket in the chat. All right. Throw a rocket in the chat. All right. Ripple XRPs experienced 15.28 million in futures liquidations in the past 24 hours per CoinGlass data. The total amount of liquidated long positions is 10.18 million, while short liquidations accounted for 5.10 million. XRP is struggling to find its next direction after constantly seeing a rejection near the upper boundary line of a bullish pennant pattern. As a result, it is looking to find support near the 200-day, 50-day. If XRP hits $1.70 for long-term people, that's not a bad thing, right? So XRP at $1.70 is definitely one of the alerts that you want to put into the chat, or that you want to put into your phone, right? Shout out to Crew Reality. Crew Reality says no sound. I think the mic had disconnected temporarily. If you guys can hear me okay, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys can't hear me, then give me a thumbs down. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. All right. So now here it says relative strength index. Relative strength index. Uh-oh. Hold on. We got all kind of stuff going on here. Relative strength index and stochastic oscillator momentum indicators are testing their neutral levels. Sustained crosses above will strengthen the bullish thesis. A daily candlestick close below $1.70 will invalidate these theses. All right. So for when it comes to Ripple, this $1.70 is very important. All right. This $1.70 is very important. Okay. So we're going to take a look at this real quick. And shout out to the Discord. All right. Like I said, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was Carl. It was somebody in the Discord. All right. It was either Carlton, Brooklyn Queen, DC Precise, or Win, Lose, or Rug that put this in the Discord. And they put this in the Discord a while ago, but I didn't get a chance to talk about it. But we're going to try to talk about it today. All right. We're going to try to talk about it today. XRP buyback program proposed to Japanese financial giant SBI. All right. Now, this is from December 16th. How many people heard about this? If you guys heard about this, give me a thumbs up. If you guys did not hear about this, then give me a thumbs down. Okay. In an open letter to Yoshitaka Kitao, CEO of SBI Holdings, GAM Investments called on the Japanese financial giant to adopt an ambitious XRP-focused strategy. Okay. The Swiss-based investment manager urged SBI's market undervaluation and proposed a plan that mirrors MicroStrategy's strategy with Bitcoin. All right. So this company here is going to try to do a MicroStrategy, and they're going to try to do this MicroStrategy by utilizing Ripple. All right. And again, if you ask me, a lot of these companies should really start. They should try to do this MicroStrategy thing. They should try to do it with meme coins, if you ask me. They should try to do it with meme coins. Get a nice little diversified portfolio of meme coins and do it. They'd really, really, really be making a lot of profits if they did that. They'll really make a lot of profits if they did that. All right. So it says in the letter, GAM argues that SBI Holdings, which holds a significant stake in Ripple Labs and XRP Holdings, is trading at a steep discount to its true net value. Okay, to its true net asset value. According to GAM, SBI's indirect holdings in Ripple, valued at over JPY 1.6 trillion, exceed the company's current market capitalization of JPY 1.2 trillion. This points to a major disconnect between the company's market value and the hidden worth of its crypto assets. All right. And if you ask me, that goes for anybody that holds crypto assets. That goes for anybody that holds crypto assets. Okay. And one of the reasons why this is happening is because these companies are now applying these academic models like CAPM, the capital asset pricing model, to cryptocurrencies, which is something that I've been saying a long time ago. What's the net present value of a Bitcoin? What's the internal rate of return of a Bitcoin? You know what I'm saying? What are all of these indicators to these cryptocurrencies that haven't been calculated in a traditional business fashion? You know what I'm saying? According to GAM, SBI's indirect holdings in Ripple, valued at over JPY 1.6 trillion, exceed the company's current market capitalization of JPY 1.2 trillion. This points to a major disconnect between the company's market value and the hidden worth of its crypto assets. Furthermore, GAM pointed out that the lack of clarity in SBI's strategy around Ripple's blockchain technology and its crypto investments contributes to the company's underperformance in the market. GAM proposal for SBI, including XRP buyback. Okay. To address this undervaluation and unlock shareholder value, GAM outlined several key recommendations. First, it suggested that SBI adopt a more transparent approach by publishing a daily valuation of its XRP holdings. Okay. Moreover, it called for regular updates to shareholders on its NAV components. All right. Now, what they're doing is they're taking these crypto assets and using these crypto assets as a talking point. Okay. Meanwhile, the most significant proposal from GAM is for SBI to implement an XRP buyback program. Specifically, it called for recycling a portion of its cash flow from its banking and securities business to purchase XRP directly from the market. Okay. The strategy is to emulate MicroStrategy's highly publicized Bitcoin accumulation, which has propelled the US-based company into the spotlight. All right. So again, I want you guys to understand this stuff, right? What you're seeing here is the utilization of the financial markets to leverage their equity against cryptocurrency. Okay. Now, if they're doing this on an enterprise level, my question is, why can't people do this on a consumer level? Shout out to Karen Dorsey. What's good with it, Karen? And shout out to everybody watching. I appreciate you guys. If you all haven't smashed that like button yet, please do me a favor. Take a moment, smash that like button. Also, if you guys haven't hit the bell, please take a moment, hit that bell. And also, please share the stream to your social media. All right. GAM believes this approach would enhance the value of SBI's XRP holdings and provide long-term benefits to shareholders by reducing the supply of XRP in circulation and potentially driving up its market. Okay, so I want you guys to understand here, they are looking at this in a multi-dimensional fashion. All right. Hey, make sure you guys throw some rockets, some flames, some radiation emoji, and some ducks in the chat for Karen. Karen said, just set up my crypto.com account. I hope you use somebody's referral code so y'all can get some money. Make sure you guys use each other's referral codes. You know what I'm saying? Now that Karen got a referral code, when we talk about crypto.com, you can throw your referral code in there. Make sure y'all using y'all referral codes. All right? Notably, SBI owns 8 to 9% of Ripple Labs and has long advocated blockchain technology and cryptocurrency adoption, particularly in the Japanese market. However, despite this, the company's XRP holdings and its involvement with Ripple have not fully been recognized by the market, leading to the significant undervaluation highlighted by GAM. Okay. Meanwhile, with the proposal, or I'm sorry, meanwhile, with the proposed buyback program, GAM believes SBI can unlock substantial value for its shareholders and bring its market capitalization closer to its true NAV, estimated at JPY 3.9 trillion. Just by making a couple balance sheet adjustments, just by revealing certain things to the shareholder, they're trying to increase their equity. It looks like almost about double. Actually, yeah, it looks like about double. And I definitely believe that's possible. I definitely believe that's possible. All right. So shout out to everybody that's watching. I appreciate you guys. Waiting for my screen to unlock. Right. I'm waiting for the screen to unlock the value the same way these companies are waiting for crypto to unlock their value. All right. So while I'm waiting, y'all already know what to do. Let me see. I want to, because I would love to stay on for a long time today, but I woke up late, unfortunately. And as you guys know, you know what I'm saying? I'm fake happy, right? I'm fake happy for the stream. You know what I'm saying? In reality, I've ground my teeth down to the gums, and I'm annoyed as all hell. Right? Because you guys know that I'm OCD to the mother lover. You know what I'm saying? Your boy OCD to the mother lover, and I don't like being late, and I don't like wasting time. You know what I'm saying? And I did both today. Ah! You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Brooklyn Queen for funding the organization, man. I appreciate you, Brooklyn Queen. Look, we've 1 out of 5. Easy goal today. Shout out to y'all, man. And shout out to Crew Reality for contributing to that. We 1 out of 5 today. You know what I'm saying? We only need 4 more. All right. Shout out to Brooklyn Queen. Make sure you guys show Brooklyn Queen some love. Please throw some flames, some radiation emoji, and some ducks in the chat for Brooklyn Queen for funding the organization.
How do you think that we fund this organization, huh? We're not exactly the March of Dimes.
Definitely appreciate it. All right. So we're gonna talk about this again some more tomorrow. All right. But because we got Ethereum in the title, let's get some Ethereum stuff going here. All right. Let's get some Ethereum stuff going here. All right. Let me ask you guys this question. Price predictions for Ethereum. Where we at? Price predictions for Ethereum. Where we at, ladies and gentlemen? Where we at? This is what they're saying right here. Ethereum gets massive $12,000 price tag from research lead ahead of major upgrade. $12,000 is where this particular article says Ethereum has the possibility to go. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's what I need. Shout out to Crew Reality. Crew Reality says, just wait for that NVIDIA AI PC. You'll be good then. Yeah, that'll be what's good. That'll definitely be what's good. That's what your boy needs, all right? DeFi Protocols Derive head of research, Dr. Sean Dawson, has predicted a bullish prediction for Ethereum price. He predicted that the second largest crypto could rally as high as $12,000 and explained how the Petra upgrade could contribute to the parabolic rally. Ethereum to reach $12,000 thanks to Petra upgrade and other factors. Now, you know, I've been in Ethereum for a long time. You know what I'm saying? I'm significantly invested in Ethereum. I'm somebody that holds a whole Ethereum token. And, you know, I hold Ethereum because I know Ethereum's worth. But I'm not going to lie. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm tired of all these upgrades and then nothing happens. So, you know, being that I don't fall for the Ethereum speculation because I have Ethereum. I'm an Ethereum holder. All right. I have 1.2 Ethereum. Okay. I have 1.2 Ethereum. And I've had 1.2 Ethereum for a long time. And I'm not rich. And I'm not rich, damn it. You know what I'm saying? If I had 1.2 damn Bitcoin, you know what I'm saying? things would be nice. I wouldn't be rich, but things would be nice. I got 1.2 Ethereum, and it ain't nice out here. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nice out here. So I'm kind of, when you actually got Ethereum and you've seen the E2 updates and you've seen the switch from, proof of work to smart contracts and proof of stake and all that, and you're waiting for these upgrades and they got your stuff locked up on Coinbase and they're doing all this weird stuff with the E2 token and wrapping all this damn Ethereum and liquid Ethereum. And then you see the price decrease because after the upgrades, the Ethereum price always decreases, even though it's supposed to improve scalability and all that. It's annoying. It's annoying. I don't know if it's more annoying watching the market or if you actually hold this token and you're watching and literally nothing happens. You're sitting there watching Pepe grow faster than your Ethereum. And you got a significant amount of Ethereum. It's irritating. You know what I'm saying? If you guys would agree, that's irritating. Give me a thumbs up. If you guys would disagree, like, nah, that's what you talking about. That's what we in it for. Give me a thumbs down. All right. Dawson predicted that Ethereum could reach $12,000 by the end of the year, thanks to the Petra upgrade, Donald Trump's presidency, increased adoption, and a surge in ETF inflows. According to the research analyst, this bullish case is possible if the Petra upgrade is successful. The upgrade is meant to help scale the network and boost user experience. And I'm not trying to be funny, man, but they've been trying to scale Ethereum forever, and it just is not happening. It's just not successfully happening. Ethereum better hurry up and get their stuff together before they get overtaken by some other chain. You know what I'm saying? Like Solana or something like that. Every time they try to improve scalability on Ethereum, anytime they try to improve anything on Ethereum, it's just not working the way that I guess it would be expected. I wouldn't be surprised if some of these layer 2s actually surpass Ethereum. You know what I'm saying? Given Donald Trump's pro-crypto stance, Dawson is also confident that the U.S. president-elect would create a regulatory-friendly environment which would support further growth for Ethereum. For Ethereum to reach this $12,000 target, Dawson also said that Ethereum must witness broader adoption within the real-world assets industry. The network must also become a top player in emerging sectors such as DePIN and AI agents. And again, shout out to Win Lose a Rug, the resident AI czar and the resident chart czar. You know what I'm saying? The Ethereum exchange traded funds also have a role to play in Ethereum reaching this target. All right. Dawson mentioned that there must be more significant inflows into these funds. He warned that a failure of these funds to attract institutional interest could lead to a bearish case for Ethereum. For the bearish case, the research analyst predicted Ethereum could drop to as low as $2,000. So we need to put a $2,000 alert in the phone for Ethereum. All right, make sure you guys put that $2,000 alert in the phone for Ethereum. All right, because we need to watch that. Because, I'm not really, Ethereum's price movements have been less than impressive, if you ask me, but, it's something to watch, right? Due to a lack of inflows into the spot ETFs, he noted that this could happen if these funds lose ground to a successful Solana ETF launch. And this is what I'm saying. They're saying the same thing that I'm saying, man. This undoubtedly remains a possibility considering how Solana dominated last year in terms of network activity. And if you ask me, Solana right now is in the phase of before it, like where Ethereum was when Ethereum was at these price levels. Black Free Thinker said, man, y'all talking about Ethereum like it's Larry, Curly, and Mo. Why don't you raise your price, stupid? You know what I'm saying? Why don't you break out of the bear pattern, stupid? You know what I'm saying? Ethereum still bullish despite recent market downtrend. Crypto analysts have suggested that Ethereum still has a bullish outlook despite the recent market downtrend. In an ex-post, crypto analyst Moon Carl stated that despite the recent dump, Ethereum is still trading within a symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame. The analyst added that if the support holds, a breakout with a bullish target of $4,100 could be expected. All right, so that's another alert to put in. 4,100 at Ethereum, right? 4,100 Ethereum. All right, so we got to watch all of these, right? And we got to make different moves at each level. right? We got to watch all of these and make different moves at each level. All right, let me scoot this back up here. Crypto analyst Cryptomist also charted a path for Ethereum to reach a new all-time high. She highlighted a large falling wedge, which was in play with symmetrical deviations. She added that ETH could retest the broken level and then reject support and insert a 4-hour oversold bullish divergence, then bounce to a new all-time high. All right. So I wonder what she's saying this new all-time high is. I would be able to figure it out if my damn computer wasn't frozen. All right. So while my computer is frozen, if y'all haven't smashed the like button yet, please do me that favor. Smash that like button. Also, if you guys haven't hit the bell and subscribe to the channel, please take a moment, hit the bell, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you guys share the stream to your social media, share it to your crypto networks, share it to your investor networks, share it all over the place. All right. Let me see. All right. So she's at the time of writing, Ethereum price is trading at around 3,300 up in the last 24 hours, according to data from Coin Market Cap. All right. So we got some new price targets for Ethereum to pay attention to, right? This makes it fun, right? More reason for you to constantly stare down at your phone, you know, because that just makes life much better, right? When everybody's heads looking at the phone. Right. But it's not that bad though if you're doing it, you know what I'm saying, and try to make something for yourself, right? So, you know, we got a Ethereum $7,000 price target. So we're gonna put that in. $7,000 price target for Ethereum. Okay. Highly likely or not likely? Let me know. Ethereum analyst says $7,000 target is looming as price retests crucial level. What level? $3,301? You know what I'm saying? So let's actually, I'm going to pull this Bitcoin up for tomorrow. We're going to talk about Bitcoin because we got some interesting stuff going on there. Ethereum has seen an over 10% correction from the New Year's high amid market retrace, recently falling below the 3,300 support. Now, we've read some articles in the past, and they told us a potential risk or a potential pathway that could happen if Ethereum fell back down to $3,300. Does anybody remember what that is? What the warning was if Ethereum fell back to that price? What was the warning? What could possibly happen? Despite the ongoing pullback, some analysts remain optimistic about Ethereum's Q1 performance, suggesting new heights are around the corner. All right. Ethereum is forming a bullish pattern. Ethereum shredded its New Year's gains today after falling below the 3,320 mark. Following the market retrace, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization saw a 14% drop from its Monday high of $3,744 to below the 3,300 support. During the start of the year rally, Ethereum's price recovered 20% from the correction's lows, surging to pre-retrace levels for the first time in nearly 3 weeks. However, the market pullback, which saw Bitcoin fall 7.2% in 24 hours, sent Ethereum to the 3,210 level on Thursday morning. The 3,200 to 3,300 price range served as a key support zone for Ethereum throughout December. Okay. After its recent performance, several analysts have suggested that the cryptocurrency is forming an important reversal pattern, which could send Ethereum's price to new highs. Okay. On Wednesday, crypto analyst Rect Capital noted that Ethereum is forming a multi-month inverse head and shoulders pattern in the 1M timeframe. To the analyst, it's clear that 3,650 and 3,760 is a major region of resistance developing just below 4,000, with the price forming that resistance at a lower high, which could act as a neckline to the pattern. All right, so that should be the springboard. If its low is at that point, if that's the resistance, it's pushing at that springboard to be able to jump up from there. All right. He stated that its terminus point is at the psychological level of 3,000, adding that any pullback close to the 3,000 level could see Ethereum develop a right shoulder. All right. So I don't think that 3,000 would be a bad idea to put in as an alert either. All right. Similarly, as Ethereum dropped to the low of the key 3,200 range, Mikey Bull highlighted the same pattern, hinting that the $7,000 target is looming. According to the chart, Ethereum's price could see an 87.53% increase near the 7,400, 7,500 price range based on the bullish setup. All right, 7,400, 7,500. All right, 7,400, 7,500. All right. No more major retraces for Ethereum. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez also shared his view on the bullish pattern, asserting a downsizing to 2,900 would be very bullish for Ethereum. The analyst argued it would create an excellent buy dip opportunity to target $7,000. All right, 2,900. All right, so we'll see if we see any of these, and then 2,800. All right. However, it's worth noting that the bullish pattern would be invalidated if Ethereum falls below 2,800, where the left shoulder formed. Okay. Meanwhile, another market watcher shared the similarities between Ethereum's performance at the start of 2024 and 2025, highlighting the king of altcoins falling below its yearly opening during January 2024 before climbing up the following month. All right, now look at this. You see this? It says ADA wave is coming. Cardano whales go on buying spree as price attempts breakout. So we got a lot to talk about, man. I'm not going to be able to talk about Cardano today. You know what I'm saying? But we got a lot to talk about. All right, it's lit. Shout out to Detroit 313, man. Detroit 313 said, salutations, salutations. So sorry I'm late. You know what they say in crypto, bro. What they say in crypto? You're never too late. Ain't that what they say in crypto? Shout out to you, bro. I appreciate it, man. Let me see. I think we only 2 away from the goal, if I'm not mistaken. We got 2 from Detroit 313. We got 2 5s, right? From Detroit 313, 1 5 from Brooklyn Queen, membership from Crew, right? So yeah, we only 2 down. That's what's good. Shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to my man John Guillory. What's good with it, bro? Yo, Detroit 313. Check out crypto.com, bro, and get in on that 1,300% potential bonus for the Pingu airdrop, man. Somebody drop y'all referral code in the chat for Detroit 313. I don't know if you mess with crypto.com, bro, but you should. Check it out, man. Make sure y'all show Detroit 313 some love. I really appreciate y'all, man. We are killing it on these goals, and every show that I said that I'm going to do, I promise you guys that I will definitely do it. You know what I'm saying? I got some off days coming up. We're going to be lit pretty soon. All right. So shout out to Detroit 313. Make sure y'all show him some love for funding the organization, and he bought y'all lunch.
How do you think that we fund this organization, huh? We're not exactly the march of dimes.
In Springfield, they're
push me, ain't Donald Trump trying to grab him by the... Said it was some Haitians somewhere out in Springfield. Women doing cartwheels.
Have you seen Garfield?
Have you seen Snowball? This about to snowball. I'm about to go off. I can't let this go on. Miss me like an airball. Tell me when my cat is cough it up like a hairball. I gotta tell them if they even put the fingernail on Santa's little helper to turn them to hamburger helper. Somebody better help them, cause I'm going to jail for showing them fellas helter skelter. Usually I'm content, but if you touch my dog, then I'm turning into John Wick. I'm lit. Bird better drop it. If you touch my pet, then I'm pulling up like CrossFit. Where they said Hello Kitty, but it ain't there. It's right here in your city. When I turn my back, now the cat goes missing in the where my peoples is at. Does anybody know where he flipping at? Cause I heard they putting claws on felines, I'm mad. And my cat disappeared just like Felix the cat. And they got paid back. Thought she was a goner, but the cat came back. If you ain't a pussy cat, say drop that cat. Drop that cat. Drop that cat. Got paid back. Thought she was a goner, but the cat came back. If you ain't a pussy cat, say drop that cat. Drop that cat. Drop that cat.
They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. Eat the cat. Eat the cat. They're eating the cats. They're eating the dogs. Eat the cat.
Drop that cat.
That is a nice that is a nice little word from our sponsor, right? Shout out right? Shout out to the sponsor, right? That's a nice little word from our sponsor. All right. Meanwhile, another watcher shared the similarities between Ethereum's performance at the start of 2024 and 2025, highlighting the king of altcoins falling below its yearly opening during January of 2024 before climbing up the following month. All right. So, and again, as you guys can see, we're going to get into this article tomorrow about this ADA wave. All right. Because I agree. You guys remember, I've been saying how ADA has been making significant price jumps. And like people aren't talking about ADA. ADA is doing really good, even though it's down in the market right now, right? It's a little bit under $1. It more than doubled, and nobody said anything about it. You know what I'm saying? Nobody really said too much about it. And they're gonna get those crypto America First benefits, you know what I'm saying, being an American company. The tax breaks that Hedra and all them gonna get, you know what I'm saying? Ripple, right? Cardano is part of that group, all right? Or ADA is not Cardano, is it? Yeah, ADA. Is ADA Cardano? Yeah, ADA is Cardano. I'm tripping. I don't know why I got it mixed up with Stellar Lumens. Yeah, it is Cardano. My bad. He stated, I think it's really important not to conflate a few days of red price action with high time frame bias. I am firmly of the opinion that this is a yearly open shakeout after some overly eager participants leveraged up too big too early. I am very bullish on H1 of 2025. Analyst Crypto Wolf considers there will likely be little to no downside left, suggesting that Ethereum could retrace another 4% to 7% maximum benefit before it aims for all-time high levels. As of time of writing, Ethereum is trading at $3,255, a 2.15% decrease in the daily time frame. And now my Ethereums that I hold, those are legacy Ethereums. You know what I'm saying? Like I'd never be able to buy that many Ethereum today. I wouldn't be able to afford it. Those are Ethereum that I had from when I invested in crypto a long time ago. I had, a couple Ethereums that I had bought, you know what I'm saying, when it was like $199, you know what I'm saying, when it was like $200, a couple pieces of Ethereum that I had bought at like, $500 or whatever. And, I held on to them, and this is where they at right now. You know what I'm saying? So, it's not like I just some whale out here just buying all these Ethereum. You know what I'm saying? Like I've been in the game for a long time. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. And again, that's one of the reasons I'd be losing my patience with Ethereum, because I actually have these things and I sit here and watch them and I hear all these bullish price predictions and I don't see a mansion around me. You know what I'm saying? But again, that's just, human, ridiculousness, right? I'm only human, you know what I'm saying? Despite the fact that, I recognize all of the flaws, you know what I'm saying, that people have. I don't deny the fact that I have some of those flaws as well, as annoying as that may be. You know what I'm saying? It's part of the human paradigm. All right. Shout out to you guys, man, because you guys killed it. You know what I'm saying? I would love to, go much longer, but I can't because I have serious time constraints today. But no worries. We will try to get some more in. It might be a short stream like this again tomorrow. We will definitely try. All right. Hopefully I'll be able to get a long one in. And then I got a couple days coming off, and the streams that I do with those days coming off, for the most part, they're going to all be call-ins. We're going to try to look at, there's this video that I saw that was really good. We're going to do a reaction to that. We're going to take a look at the BlackRock stuff, and we're going to take a look at the Fidelity stuff. All right. We're going to chop it up. We're going to have a good time. All right. Shout out to everybody. All right. Make sure you subscribe to my channels, follow my backup channels, take a moment, hit the backup channels. All right. Make sure you guys join the Discord. All right. Make sure you guys show love to the stream sponsors. All right. Shout out to Crew Reality. All right. Definitely appreciate y'all. Appreciate you. Make sure y'all show Crew Reality some love. Shout out to Brooklyn Queen. Always showing love. Definitely appreciate you, Brooklyn Queen. Make sure y'all show my man Detroit 313 some big love. All right. Shout out to the people who are about to take advantage of that 1,300% potential PA bonus with the Pingu on the crypto.com airdrop. If you're part of the Discord, get somebody's referral code. Get the referral codes. All right. Also, make sure you set those alerts in your phone. Shout out to Karen Dorsey, man. I think Karen Dorsey just put us at the goal. Throw them targets in the chat. Make sure y'all show Karen some love. Throw some flames, some radiation emoji, and some ducks in the chat for Karen for funding the organization.
How do you think that we fund this organization, huh? We're not exactly the March of Dimes.
Definitely appreciate you, Karen. And as always, ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah. Run for it, run.
How do you think that we fund this organization, huh? We're not exactly the March of Dimes.
To this paper, I need freedom from my family line. Draw my life design up like fine art. I'm jumping out just to unfamiliar coordinates. Hopped off the porch like I could touch the sky. Red is not one trillip. The ism talk the water out your faucet. Look at me flossing, I'm so wavy I could change the tide. My intuition sense the hatred in your ways. You imitated forging lines, claim meaning means that's just to justify. Yeah, you're right. West side, born maritime. Creole baby, my bloodline. My lungs clouded, my thoughts crowded. Say all I see is these dollar signs. Finna make a play and that sound delay. On mamas, I testify. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Game recognized game. I'm from the Bay, okay, I'm versatile and my slang is different. I'm lane switching with the same people that I came up in this thing with. My head swivel, I'm homebound. Got a target back on my backside. The cat peeling with the cast iron. Better run for it, run before I catch you. Niggas out ball it, block it. Trying to stop my blessing. Gamble with your life. Don't bet it, don't bet it. They can't stop my blessing. You do best not to test it. Yeah, you're right. Real all in my blood supply. Get ball up top, finna make a play. I catch a lob like I'm Jalen, baby. No co-signer, no co-pilot. They pen pals, my flow designer. My brain signal out of range with it. My palm mission is a dollar sign. If I say it twice, then I meant it right.
My brain signal out of range with it. My palm mission is a dollar sign. You know, co-signer, no co-pilot. They pen pals, my flow designer. My brain signal out of range with it. My palm mission is a dollar sign.
Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds. Run for it, run for it, run. I'm out here paper chasing, looking for the funds.